Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to make Windows 11 bootable USB. Okay, so if you want to make Windows 11 bootable USB, you just follow some simple steps. I'm going to take you through these simple steps to get it done. Okay, so there are some three things that you need to get them before you actually make the dream of making Windows 11 bootable USB. The first thing you will need is a flash drive or pen drive that is at least 8 gig. That is the first thing. A pen drive that is at least 8 gig. Then you also need something we call the media creation tool. That is the software that we use to create the bootable. Example is the Rufus. Example is the Power ISO. If you know any other software that you can use, you can go ahead and use it. You will also need the last thing, that is the Windows 11 Power ISO file. Okay, so you have to make sure you have all these available before you actually do it. Start this tutorials. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you the steps. Now I have my Rufus here. If you go to my local disk right here, you can see I have the Power ISO file tool here. So now what I will do is I will quickly open my Rufus. Now I will say yes. Okay, so I will wait patiently for the Rufus to come. So there we go. So now after opening the Rufus, you can see that automatically it has seen my pen drive, so I don't have to bother myself. Please, if you don't see your pen drive here, you just have to unplug it, then plug it again, just slot it again. It will pick it automatically. Now the next thing I will do is to select the Power ISO file. That is the Windows 11 Power ISO file. So I will click this start button right here, then this window will open for me. Then I will look for the setup or the Windows 11 bootable setup. So now mine is seen in my local disk H, a folder under a folder called OS. So this is it. I'll select the first one. Okay, so now after selecting it, you can see that some things have been changed here. That is the partition scheme. Now we have two partition schemes. I'll go for the default one, that is GPT. I will do more video to explain more about these guys. Okay, we also have the file type here. That is the default is FAT32. You have to leave it on default. We also have the cluster size. It is there already for you. So all you do is just leave them, then come and click on start. So after clicking on start, it will give you this alert that if you click on OK, everything on your USB drive will be erased. If you agree to that, you just click on OK. So there we go. Okay, so now I can see the process status here. Now you can see the status. Now it is now creating file system. So I can see the percentage right here. It is now copying the ISO file. So I can see when it is done, it will alert me. Then I will go ahead and install it. After making this installation or creating this installation on the USB drive, all you need to do is to reboot your system. That is, restart your system and then press the boot menu key, which is usually F12 or F2 or the delete key, depending on the brand of computer that you are using. Then after switching to the boot menu, you just select to boot from the pen drive. That means you should not boot from your hard disk anymore. You should boot from the pen drive. This is how to make bootable USB drive using Rufus. Thank you for watching, and if you find this educative, share, like, and leave comments at the comment section. Thank you.